What up? Squishy Kush 420 here, and welcome to my channel. And today on Squishy Strain Review Sundays, I got Candy Candy from the Stash. Candy Candy is a cookies cut, and it consists of Runts, Cherry Pie, and Planet Purple. So, 3 fucking strains in one. I got a nug of it right here first. Got that bowl packed. Already burned a little bit, not gonna lie. I've been smoking it too. But I was like, I figure I gotta review something. You know, said I was gonna review it, gotta review it. And so here it is for y'all. But there's a shot of it right there. I'll provide better shots of it. This is the Candy Candy from the Stash. Cookies Genetics. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, that shit's really good. Very good flour, right off the bat. Smooth. Packs a flavorful punch. Like, it's very like earthy, smooth, and very like minty. Not too strong of a mint though. And like, you could taste that cherry pie a little bit, but you mostly taste the Runts. That's very, very strong on there. Cherry pie is subtle. And yeah, that Runts is there though. It's a very, very good strain. Wow. This is very, very good. This is the Candy Candy from Stash. And I'd give this a 10 out of 10 right off the back. Grab this one if they still got it, because who knows if they do. This is gonna be gone quick. Ask for it quick, because this is a good one. This is a keeper. It's Candy Candy. Very, very good. 10 out of 10. Yep. 10 out of 10 on a squishy scale. You got that. So, tell me, what's in your stash? Go on and get that. This has been Squishy Kush 420. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.